close my eyes as you hypnotize me by your touch.
How to send emoji with sound in Messenger. First of all, open Play Store and search Messenger. Open it and update it if you haven't. I have already updated it. So after updating, open Messenger and click on whoever you want to send Soundmoji to. Now click on that smiley button. You can see that all the 4 icons were present before updating too, but that volume option is new, so click there. You can find so many Soundmojis there, and their sounds will make you laugh. Now simply tap on the Soundmoji that you want to send and press on send. Receiver can hear the sound by tapping on Soundmoji. This is how you can send Soundmojis on Messenger. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Sending you all a lot of love.